The machine is rubber. On Highway 401 in Toronto, Ontario, the driver looked like a Terminator. Oh my God! The moment the barge just let go, Cole and the bulldozer plunged straight into the sea. Absolute chaos. Subscribe to our channel to follow the exciting videos coming up next. A pickup truck crashed on Interstate 80 near Yuba Pass. It may have been due to loss of control or slippery road conditions. Rescue crews quickly arrived to handle the situation and manage traffic flow. It's absolutely perfect. A truck spinning like a dancer on a disco floor, only missing the stage lights. Oh my God! An oil tanker caught fire after a spill on the highway in Daqing, China. Firefighters quickly extinguished the flames using foam, preventing the risk of an explosion. After 30 minutes, the fire was brought under control. The forest monster almost flipped over when the tractor got stuck in the mud. Equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, the tractor weighed nearly 22,046 pounds, but still could not move when faced with difficult terrain. Oversized load, a cargo truck crashed into the underpass on I-10. Yeah, I think I'll skip the LPG setup after seeing this. The powerful bulldozer moves in, knocking down sections of the building wall. Dust fills the air as the structure gradually collapses. The demolition process is carried out safely, preparing the site for new construction. The machine operates at high efficiency, helping to reduce the size of input materials quickly and effectively. Thanks to its sturdy structure and optimized design, the DHP 200 FC700 not only ensures consistent crushing quality, but also reduces energy consumption and operating costs, meeting the needs of large-scale industrial projects. What a genius. The truck driver ignored the weight limit sign. Construction waste is usually very heavy, but look at how this guy lifts it up as if it were effortless. An impressive display of strength and technique. Workers load and place coils with absolute precision. The strong, coordinated movements make me feel the strength and meticulousness in each job, creating an impressive scene. What is going on here? The giant windmill was being transported through the narrow road, each fan blade reaching up like a sturdy steel bar. The sound of the engine echoed. I felt the strength and sophistication of technology and human labor blending together. Looks like they're headed to the junkyard. It's strange. Something as simple as a waterfall can hold so many vivid memories. But it wouldn't be the same without it.
There's no water in the tank for a hazard too, when you consider all the kids that climb up there in the summertime.
It was a nightmare for the driver of a truck that caught fire at TA in Cartersville, Georgia, but thankfully no one was injured. The process of mounting the wheels and lifting the wheel loader requires precise technique and specialized tools. First, the excavator must be securely fixed on a stable surface. The lifting is done with a hydraulic jack, ensuring safety before mounting the new wheels. Once the wheels are aligned and tightened, the excavator is ready to operate again at optimal performance. Wow! The powerful LKT-80 turbo logging tractor is pulling a huge amount of logs through harsh terrain and weather. With a high-power turbo engine and a powerful transmission system, the machine easily overcomes challenges, ensuring work efficiency in difficult conditions. absolutely amazing. The driver navigated through the chaos with ease. The semi-truck encountered an issue due to rapid deceleration. Oh, a rare accident at the Zorita power plant. When the tractor transporting the excavator suddenly had a tire blowout at a dangerous curve on High Van Pass. The driver immediately kept calm and slowed down to avoid losing control. The timely and careful response helped prevent a dangerous situation from becoming worse. This is a test by the Texas A&M Transportation Institute to evaluate a tube-shaped barrier authorized by the U.S. Department of State. They sent a heavy truck down the road at 50 mph to crash into the steel barrier. Huge forestry trucks slowly make their way through the rugged hills of Chile, where their heavy loads make it difficult to descend. Narrow, steep roads require drivers to concentrate, as even the slightest mistake can lead to a serious accident. An excavator demolishes a house at the corner of Woodmont Avenue and Edgemore Lane in Bethesda, Maryland. The structure is being leveled to make way for a 154-unit apartment building just a block from the subway station that promises modern, convenient living. The Volvo loaded with lumber got stuck, the wheels stuck in the mud, making all the driver's efforts useless. A feeling of despair rose as the car wouldn't budge. Fortunately, a powerful trailer appeared, pulling the Volvo out of the mud, bringing an exhilarating release. The powerful feeling of the HOWO 6 X4 dump truck overloading made me both amazed and worried. Unparalleled performance, but the huge weight made the vehicle seem to be struggling against adversity. During a normal working day, a Hyundai excavator suddenly caught fire, turning the job into a nightmare. The team had to act urgently to control the fire, ensuring safety in a dangerous situation. Oh my God! The floodwaters at Rufford Ford have reached 5 feet, causing water to overflow the road and block traffic. In this situation, the farmer is still resiliently driving his tractor through the flooded area, facing the difficulties and challenges caused by the heavy rain. Despite the rising water, he is not deterred, continuing his work as part of his daily life. Subscribe to the channel to continue watching more interesting incidents in our videos. Wow, that load is huge. In the Moani, it is not only huge, but so wide that it swallows the entire road. Imagine the logistics behind moving something like that safely. In Latvia, a homemade delivery man has created a vehicle specifically designed to navigate through dense forest terrain. With its crude yet innovative design, the vehicle can traverse mud and rough terrain, effectively transporting goods and timber. This is a testament to ingenuity and creativity in harsh conditions. In McCook, NE, Frog Truck Escort guides a 178-foot super truck through a T intersection. Video shows how the drivers work together to ensure the giant vehicle makes the turn safely and without any obstacles. It's an impressive example of the skill and care that goes into transporting oversized loads. DAC 665T, with its descending and ascending capabilities, refers to a pressure-filled lifting system which can be found in construction or industrial equipment. Each descent requires precise control to avoid collisions, while the ascent contains potential power, ready to conquer heights. A cargo truck attempts to board a ferry using Russian technology but fails. The move goes wrong when the wheels lose control on a slippery surface, causing the truck to get stuck right on the edge of the ferry. A tense situation that highlights the challenges of transporting goods across a river using heavy vehicles. Three men with hammers in hand began the process of demolishing the Black River farm silo. Each powerful swing of the hammer weakened the structure, causing the walls to gradually collapse. Without the need for heavy machinery, they relied on human power to complete the task, reducing the old structure to rubble in an impressive manner. The heavy-duty rescue operation was carried out by the Falk team at Borlänge with a Volvo FH168X4 heavy-duty tow truck helping to move the DF tractor trailer that had broken down on the runway. The combination of the Volvo FH16's power and professional rescue capabilities helped to resolve the difficult situation, ensuring the DAF was safely towed back, allowing the work to continue without any hindrance. This is what happens when you're late and the city doesn't play games with you. The process of demolishing a school bus requires careful preparation and specialized equipment. Usually a bulldozer or excavator is used to crush the chassis, while the recyclable parts are dismantled separately. However, in this case, they used a crane with a boom to easily destroy each part. Finally, the remaining parts of the bus are compressed and transported to a scrap processing plant. Oh. Wow! The demolition of the Coleman building, captured in this time-lapse footage, took place from March to July 2011. Layer by layer, concrete and steel disappeared, marking the end of an old structure and making way for new beginnings. To optimize mining efficiency, they welded steel plates to the bucket, which significantly increased the volume of material that could be held. It was a simple but effective idea, allowing the excavator to move larger volumes of marble in each operation, thereby improving productivity at the quarry. The invincible Russian monster, with its overwhelming power, is transporting heavy goods across the river. The huge, powerful vehicle, overcoming all challenges of the terrain, affirms its ability to conquer natural obstacles that few vehicles can match. Its appearance brings outstanding efficiency in moving large goods through difficult-to-reach areas. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with the stupid road accidents. The excavator driver used the excavator's hydraulic grab to crush the car with ease. The impact was powerful. This scene clearly demonstrated the machine's ability and power in handling hard objects, creating an impressive image. A lone farmer fights a fire that is rapidly spreading through his golden wheat field. Smoke billows around him, but he still tries to protect his crops. Lowering the bulldozer from the underside of the low-slung vehicle did not go as planned. This was certainly a big challenge. Despite the efforts, the process of lowering the bulldozer encountered many difficulties, causing work to be interrupted. The situation at the scene was terrible, with about 40-60 vehicles involved. Oh no! This disruption caused serious traffic jams and affected the travel of many people.
One more guy needed help. Probably the guys.
Smoke billows. However, the smoke issue is not the only thing that is worth noting, as sympathy has decided to fine the truck driver for not complying with safety and environmental regulations. This disrupted traffic, while the authorities quickly arrived to handle the situation and resolve the issue. Once again, Kenworth proves why it's called the Beast of the North, gliding over tough terrain like nothing's in its way. I've seen tough jobs, but the work in Kuzbos is on a whole different level. Working near raw coal isn't for the faint of heart. Only seasoned pros can handle that kind of pressure. Ever wonder why coal catches fire underground? When air gets in, boom, the flames dive deeper into the earth. Raptor GP calls it high-temperature oxidation, fascinating and dangerous.